other side naman.
Yung question sa balloon ko, what do you love most about Arabella and why? Yung love ko sa'yo, Abby, yung pagiging jolly mo, madaldal, makulit, and higit sa lahat yung pagiging bolero mo. Kasi pag magkakasama kami ng magpipinsan, lagi niya ako sinasabihan na pretty ako, sexy ako, at mas sexy ako sa ate niya. Happy birthday, Abby! I love you!
Picture mo natin.
Yung nakalagay dito, in what object you can compare Arabella with? Why? Siguro sa isang top or trumpo. Kasi makulit siya eh. Tsaka hindi siya mapirmi sa isang lugar lang. Kaya yun, happy birthday.
Picture taking natin. And for last, sorry.
The question in my balloon is, what does Arabella wants to be when she grows up? Abby wants to be a teacher because she wants to help little children.
Hindi nga. Alright, picture taking muna natin. Picture taking muna natin. Bye, sorry. And after that, kids, nadako na tayo syempre sa pinaka-importanting part ng party natin, which is yung get the blowing ng cake.
Happy birthday to you!
Adults, let me hear your sing!
Birthday to you! Happy birthday! Happy birthday!
Happy birthday to you! Oh, wait lang ha. One more time ba? Isa pa. Adults, sali po tayo ulit. Make it jolly yung pagganta. Bilisan natin ng konti. Ready? 1, 2, 3, sing! Happy birthday to you! Happy birthday to you!
Happy birthday! Happy birthday!
Happy birthday to you! Alright, so Arabella, you may blow the candle. Ready? Baby, you may blow. 1. Oh, wait lang, ate. Picture. Dito ka, tita. Dito ka. Okay. Ready? 1, 2, 3, and blow. Blow. Again. 1, 2, 3, blow. Alright. So, palakpak muna dyan for Arabella. Palakpak. Yeah. Alright, so, greet nyo nga si Arabella. Happy birthday, Arabella.
Happy birthday, Arabella!
Alright, so lahat the kids take your seat. Wish daw ni ate. Message daw ni...
Ito yung sasabihin sa inyo, Mama. January 22, 2004, I gave birth to our little angel and we named her Arabella. Ang buong akala namin noon ay dalawa lang ang magiging anak namin. It's because meron na kaming isang babaeng anak na si Ate Bea at isang lalaki na si Kuya Aaron. I know you're a blessing from God. Sa iyo, Bunso, nang dumating ka sa aming buhay, nakita kong kakaibang ligaya at pagmamahal na binigay mo sa amin. I knew na super excited sila Ate Bea at Kuya Aaron mo nang iuwi ka namin sa bahay. Mas spoiled ka pa nga kay ate mo kaysa sa akin. Kasi pag nagagalit ako sa'yo sa paminsan-minsan mong kakulitan, tumatakbo ka sa kanya. At kaya naman ako kampating lumayo sa inyo para magtrabaho sa ibang bansa, nakita ko ang pagiging isang responsible father ni Papa sa inyo. And now that we've turned 7, I wish you happiness and I know na yan ang wish mo, to be with your loved ones and friends on your birthday. Happy birthday, my dear Bunso. I wish you to be a God-fearing person, study hard, be more respectful, good health, and please lang bawasan ang pagiging hyper mo ha. Pero alam ko naman anak na isa kang mabait, mapagmahal, at higit sa lahat, malambing na anak. Salamat sa pagmamahal at paglalambing mo sa amin ha. Stay as sweet as you are. I miss and love you all. And thank you also to Ate Bea, Kuya Aaron, and of course to you, Papa, who takes place as dad and mom to my 3 kids. I also want to say thank you to all my family, relatives, and friends who attended my bunso's birthday. God bless us all and have a nice day ahead.
Siyempre, makaparod nga po kayo sa aming konting funny magic tricks. Jerkling, yung acrobat act namin ni Kuya Clown. And afternoon, may balloon twisting. And meron pa tayong pabitin and piñata. After yan, lahat ng eating time namin. So lahat ng kids and adults, take your seat, relax, and enjoy your meal, okay?
This is true. I swear this is true. And I owe it all to you. Oh, come on, let's go. Let's do it all night until we can't do it no more. Keep on working till the center, we gon' work it to the top until the roof come rolling down. Hands high.
Happy birthday, Abby! Alright, so sa nickname na lang niya, happy birthday, Abby, okay?
But if the whole world to her 24/7, she looking so
Totoo, everyone.